When you purchase Fortinet product licenses and their associated onboarding service contracts, it is always recommended to register the license and onboarding service contracts at the same time. It is also recommended to register all the other purchase contracts at the same time. For this video, we will see how to register a FortiEDR license and service contract as an example. For registering FortiEDR licenses, the first step is to launch the support.fortinet.com website, and then click on Login Now and enter your credentials. Click Register Now and enter the contract registration code of the FortiEDR license which you have received via email. Then select the end user type. Select the Fortinet partner and enter the remaining license contract codes if you have purchased multiple contracts, one per line. Then click Next. Accept the terms and confirm the registration. Registration has now completed successfully. You can verify the product information listed on this page, and you can also verify the product entitlement details. Now let's register the FortiEDR BPS or JumpStart support service. Like earlier, we will click on Register Now. Enter the contract registration code which you have received via email for the purchase of Best Practice or JumpStart service. Then select the end user type and the Fortinet partner. Accept the terms and then click on Next. The BPS service registration is now complete. Now you can verify the BPS service details by navigating to Account Services. The FortiEDR Ops team will get an email notification on this new registration, and they will create a support ticket to provision the environment and to deliver the environment access details. Once environment provisioning is done, FortiEDR Ops will update the environment link and access guideline document in the same ticket. Ops team will create a new support ticket, and it will be assigned to the PS team to track the BPS or JumpStart kickoff. With this, we conclude our video on how to register Fortinet product licenses and their associated onboarding service contracts. Thank you for watching. For more technical videos, please visit video.fortinet.com.